Hi there, welcome back to my channel. For those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I told you I would be making a chicken coop, but you've never seen something like this before, right? Well, this is it. So it's a sloped roof. The pillars are posts, okay, cedar posts. You can even still see the claw marks from the machines, from the harvesters, okay. It's got a metal roof. That's the living quarters. And this is the inside. Got a roosting bar, 2 layer boxes, large layer boxes. That's the run door. If you go back here, so this is the layer boxes. This is the side. And the roof is brown metal. Over here. There's my ramp to let the chickens into the living quarters. And 2 dowels, 2 holes in the ramp to hold it up there. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And I've made sure that these screws didn't poke through here. I don't want to poke that in your head. Okay, and there's a sample of how the screen is laid down. We've got a door trim here. Same thing over here. So, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.